In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix network error in MLB. So if you're using the MLB application and you're facing the network error, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason for the network error might be unstable internet connection. So what you have to do is make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem will be solved. Also try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now after that too, if your problem is still not solved, what you have to do is simply restart the application. For that, what you can do is simply close the application and open it again, or what you can do is open the app library of your device. Now find the application for MLB and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info. Now in the app info interface, what you can do is tap on this option force stop that you can see on the screen. After that, wait for a while and open the MLB application again and your problem should be solved. If the problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option clear cache and the cache will be cleared. After you do that, your problem can be solved. Also, you can try uninstalling the MLB application. Tap on the uninstall option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option OK. After you do that, install the latest version of the application. After that, your problem will be solved, but sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device. Long press on the power button, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix network error in MLB. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.